Hi guys, it's Jennifer with One Crafty Sister with a completely unplanned Facebook Live video that my husband just peeked in the door for. I wanted to come on tonight to share with you a little bit more about my Happy Birthday to You class to go. So I figured all of us have our sleep schedules off a little bit, right, from this quarantine. So what's keeping me from hopping on at 9:23, right? So let me know if you are here, if you happen to see me, jump on live. And I wanted to share this with you because a lot of my customers are used to, let's just say all of my customers are used to coming to my classes face to face. That's the majority of the events that I hold for with One Crafty Sisters kind of business model. And we obviously can't do that right now. So I have created a class to go that is available for you to register for through the 15th, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So I wanted to show you what you would get if you registered for this class and what you can expect. So this class features one of our stamp sets that just became unavailable. It was part of our celebration product line that was just available from January to March, and it was one of my favorites. And it's this stamp set, the Happy Birthday to You. I love this stamp set. I thought this cake was just gorgeous, and I love the fonts used on the sentiments, and I thought this would be a really fun stamp set to create a class around. So I'm going to flip the camera down and I'm going to show you what you can expect to receive in the package that you get for your Happy Birthday to You class to go when you order that between now and the 15th of next week. So let me flip you down. So as I showed you, first and foremost, you're going to get this Happy Birthday to You stamp set. It's a brand new stamp set. I collected several of them, so this is a limited option class. I don't have unlimited ones, but this is the Happy Birthday to You stamp set, so you'll get this in your kit. Set that to the side. You'll also get, this is one of my open rolls, but you'll get a full bolt of this petal pink metallic edge ribbon. This is so pretty. If you have not played with this yet, oh, it is so fun. So you'll get a brand new full bolt of that petal pink ribbon. You'll also get a full pack of the metallic pearls. So these have both silver and gold pearls in them, and you're going to use some of those on your projects, some of each. You will get 8 envelopes for the 8 cards that you are going to make with this online class. Hi guys, let me know who's tuned in. I see some thumbs up and some hearts. I'd love to know who joined. You'll also get a half a pack. Now, this is my leftovers, so this is not completely representative of what you would be getting. But this is a half a pack. You'll receive a half a pack of the Parisian Blooms Specialty Designer Series paper. This paper is so pretty. It's specialty because of, look at all that pretty foil. See how it just shines in the light? These papers are just so gorgeous on both sides. You've got these great geometric designs on one side and these pretty flowers and foil on the other. Hi, Debbie and Ruth. So these are just really pretty papers. And even if you don't want the Eiffel Tower, you have the gorgeous designs on the back. So this paper is just lovely. So you'll get a half a pack of this specialty designer series paper, and it will be cut to 6 by 6 for mailing ease. And then you will also get 4 make and takes with all the supplies to make 8 cards. So there's supplies to make 2 cards in each of these packs. Now, everything will be cut, except you will have to cut your designer series paper layers from your pack. And I will give you a full detailed PDF with pictures, measurements, and everything. I will cut out a couple that I use dies for, so I think this is the only one that I'll touch is this pretty paper here. So I won't show you all the cards because what fun is that? But I will show you one. Boop. Haha, look how tricky I was there. So here is one of the cards that you would make in this class. And although this is a simple card, it's very classy on a basic gray base. This is a layer of Whisper White that has been embossed with the Parisian embossing folder. This is just gorge. This just makes the paper so textured and beautiful. I can't even explain how gorgeous it is. So you'll get these pieces already embossed. So if you don't have the embossing folder, don't worry about that. You'll get this. You'll get your die cut piece here, your piece of champagne foil, and you'll even get this little die cut as well, all ready for you. And this is out of the stamp set, the 2U. And then there's the inside with a little bit of that fancy designer series paper on there just to give you a little bit on each side. So that is one of the cards, and let me just show you what your make and take packet will look like. So each will come nice and sealed and protected in here. All the supplies for your 2 cards. So you'll have 2 card bases. This one has 2 layers of Whisper White for the inside of your card. 2 of those pieces of Whisper White that are already embossed for you, like I mentioned. 2 of the dies. This is cut out of the Stitched Shapes dies, which are used across all these projects. And then these 2 foil circles, also cut out of the Stitched Shapes dies. And then these are the 2 little sentiments that were on the top of the card, cut and ready. And then you'll get a little bit, I just pulled, this was actually out of my scrap bin. You'll have, this is our white flax ribbon, and this is what I used for the little double bow on this card. So you'll get enough of that for this card. The rest of the cards use the ribbon that you'll get a bolt of. So this one I did not use that ribbon, as you can see. Okay, but you will get a piece of this white flax ribbon to pull apart. It's really easy to just pull apart and make your little double bow. You might even just get a couple strips of that. All in your package like so. So you can make your bow. You would need 4 of them. So let's just pull that out. There's 4. Okay, so that's how everything would come in your pack all ready to go. And then you would have to trim some of your designer series paper for the inside of the card, but I'll provide the measurements for that in your color detailed step-by-step PDF. And then you will need to finish this class out of your supplies at home. Oops, let's get that all tucked back down in there. You will need, here's the other packs just so you can see all the fun things here. You will also need a petal pink ink and a basic gray ink and a wink of Stella. Now, when you register for this class, you have an option to add these 3 items on with a little bit of a discount, no tax or shipping, so you can add those on to your class if you don't have any of them, so that you can get them, and they will be shipped in your package with your kit. Okay, so I'm going to pop back up here to the front. So those would be the card kits that you receive along with your stamp set, your designer series paper, your full bolt of ribbon, and your package of metallic pearls so that you can make 8 gorgeous cards for you to send to your special people. And even more than any other time right now is a great time to be sending the cards that you have. So even if you don't register for this class to take this class, if you have a stash of cards at home, send them to your family that you can't see, send them to your friends, send them to businesses that you know might still be open and still have staff working, drop them by places. Just take advantage of the cards that you have. And if you don't have them, you can have 8. So this class registration is open until the 15th, and at the top of the video in the post there is a link to the registration page for the class for you to see kind of this information on the registration page, everything that you get, and you're able to register right there from that page. And if you guys have any questions, I'd love to answer any questions for you. So just jot your questions in the comments and let me help you figure out the best way to get your Happy Birthday to You stamp set in your hands. There is a porch pickup option, so if you live in and around the Gainesville area, you can pay a little bit less because the shipping is deducted, and you can pick it up from my porch when the class to go is ready. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys tonight. The lovely Happy Birthday to You class to go. Here's the other cards. Huh. You didn't think I was really going to show you, did you? I always like to keep a little bit of a surprise for y'all. Oh, the other thing, speaking of surprises that would be in your class to go, is you will get a little present from me. So, Ruth asked, repeat the stamp pads needed. Petal pink, and basic gray, and then a wink of Stella are the 3 things that you would need besides your scissors and adhesive, glue dots, dimensionals kind of things. So it's petal pink and basic gray. Okay, so I hope you guys are doing well tonight, and I was happy to jump on just for a little bit just to share with you this class. And as you can see, I was enjoying these cards so much that I just decided to color my hair similar to the paper. I'm loving the pink paper. So I decided to quarantine color my hair. It's just a fun shampoo wash-in. But anyway, I hope you guys have a good night, and I hope this shared a little bit more information about what you can expect when you order the class to go, since it's something that I haven't really done in the past. And click the button in the link in the post so that you can see all the details and register by the 15th. Hope you guys have a great night. Talk to you soon. Bye.